Hello everyone, and this is Dr. Shannon, Ortho Sports Physio, and today I am going to show simple home exercises for frozen shoulder. Watch my previous video to know what is frozen shoulder, what happens in frozen shoulder, the signs and symptoms, and also the stages that in what frozen shoulder occurs. Today we will show you few exercises that you can do at home. So first exercise is a pendulum exercise. For this you need a dumbbell, and if you do not have a dumbbell, it's fine. Even a 1 liter bottle will be okay. You need a chair or a table or even a wall for support. Slightly bend forward, and we start with our first exercise where you move your arm forward and backward 10 times. Forward and backward. Good. Next, in and out. In and out. Let your arm completely be loose and swing while doing this movement. Just like a pendulum. In and out. 10 times again. Next is clockwise 10 times and anti-clockwise 10 times. Perfect. So we can do this 10 counts, 2 repetitions. Got it? So this is our first pendulum exercise. Our next exercise is wall exercise. In this, our first exercise is face against the wall and move your arm upwards and slightly start moving towards the wall, such that you feel a slight stretch here. The moment you reach the end point, you can hold it for 15 seconds and slightly come back and walk back. This is your first wall exercise. Second wall exercise is you need to face towards the wall and now walk forward. Walk forward. Again, you feel a stretch, end range stretch. You feel that. Stop. Hold it for 15 seconds and come down. Do both of these for 10 counts. The third is wall circles. Make circles. Now, if you cannot do it and you find it difficult, you can support your hand with your other hand and help yourself do circles. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. 10 times each. Even in the previous wall walk, if it is difficult, you can slightly take the support of the other arm, of the other hand, and do the exercise and come down. So this is our wall exercise. Next, we shall do stretching. The first stretch is cross body stretch. Take the affected arm on the other side and stretch it slightly. Turn your head to the opposite side. You shall feel a stretch here. Again, the affected arm on the unaffected side and slightly turn your head to the other side, pulling your arm towards the good arm. Hold the stretch for 15 seconds and release. This is your first stretch. The second stretch is the armpit stretch. In this, hold the affected arm on the wall and slightly bend forward. You shall feel a stretch completely around this area. Hold it for 15 seconds and come back. The third stretch is the pec stretch. Hold on the corner of the wall and slightly rotate your arm on the opposite side. Holding this stretch for 15 seconds and release. You'll feel a stretch on this area. There are also more advanced exercises and therapies that we conduct at our physiotherapy center under proper guidance of a physio. To watch that, you can have a small, I'll be uploading a small glimpse of this video. Do watch my video on advanced therapies that we conduct at our center. If you enjoyed this video that you could do exercises at home, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Dr.ForYou.